Hi students, let us try to understand the practical of class 10th student. Okay, we are going to understand practical 1 from class 10th. And what is this practical is all about, student? That is we are going to find the pH. And why what, student? That is we are going to find the pH by using pH paper and universal indicator, right student? So two things are there, student. That is one is pH paper is there. Okay, pH paper, this is the one, one simple paper is there, student. Okay, and that we have to drop in the sample and we have to find out the change in color. And that is universal indicator is there, universal indicator. And this universal indicator is what, student? That generally come in the form of liquid. Okay, so this liquid we have to drop on the, okay, in the where, student? In the sample. Drop in sample, drop in sample. These things we have to do, dear friend. Okay, drop in sample. Now see, students, here you see what they are saying. To determine the pH of the given sample using pH paper, this is the pH paper, friends, or universal indicator. I told you universal indicator is liquid which we have to drop in the sample. Suppose you are, it is, this is your sample, friend, this is your sample. So you have to drop here. Okay, and then you have to find out the change in color. The sample whose pH has to be determined are, so what are their first point you see, student? What are the first one? Dilute acetic acid is there, dilute NaOH, salt NaCl, dilute NaHCO3, water, and lemon juice is there. So these many things are there, student. For that we are going to determine the pH. Let us see the material required. 6 test tube required, student. Test tube stand required. Dilute acetic acid, dilute NaOH, okay, salt NaCl. Dissolve 1 gram of salt in 10 ml of distilled water. Then water, lemon juice, dilute NaHCO3, glass rod, measuring cylinder 10 ml. Okay, standard pH, color chart, pH paper, glass rod. Okay, dropper, universal indicator, and pH paper also required, student. pH paper, these things are required, very common, that you will get in the book. Okay, now see, student, they are saying what is the pH. First of all, you should know the pH. pH is measure of the hydrogen ion concentration to determine the alkalinity, that is basic, or acidic nature of solution. Okay, that is, they are saying if the pH is less than 7, it will be acidic, greater than 7 basic, equal to 7 neutral solution. That is very simple. Okay, now students, if you go here, that is what the pH chart is there, student. In case of that you are taking, what that is universal indicator, if you are taking, friend, so that is, if very acidic means this is going to be the red color, right? Slightly acidic means they are the color, no, they are the color. Neutral, this is the green color. Very alkaline, basic color, this is going to be color, student. So these are the, the color changed of the universal indicator with a different sample. Let us try to understand here. Now we are having A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 sample you have taken, student. And in the sample, what you added, dear friend, you added the drop of universal indicator. Firstly, you taken the 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml, 10 ml sample. Then you are putting, that is universal indicator. That you are putting universal indicator. In case of all, dear friend, you are finding the different color you are finding. Here you see color, here, 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 here. These are the different color is being obtained. Now you see that what this inference, student. No, if you are using the testing the pH sample by using the putting the drop of pH paper, okay, drop on pH paper. So this is the pH paper, friend, and you are putting, that is drop, glass rod is there, and you are putting the drop on the sample, any sample you are putting, like this one drop, this one drop, this one. So different color it will give, student. What the procedure are there? Wash 6 test tube with the distilled water and put them on the test tube stand and label A, B, C, D, E, F. Add 2 ml of acetic acid in test tube A, 2 ml of NaOH in test tube B, and 2 ml of NaCl in test tube C, and 2 ml of NaSCO3 in test tube D, and 2 ml of water in test tube E, and 2 ml of lemon juice in test tube F. Take white tile, place 6 pH paper and table them A, B, C, D, E, F. Use the dropper and glass rod to put the respective sample solution on the labeled pH paper placed on white tiles. Observe the color change. So there is A is the orange, B is dark blue, C is red, D is light blue, E is green, F is pink. What is this meaning, student? If A is the ink that is orange, it means weak acid, pH is 3. B is what is that is NaOH, dark blue, and that is strong base. C is NaCl, red, strong acid. Okay, it is HCl, it cannot be NaCl. Now next one, simple D is NaSCO3, light blue, weak base. Simple E, water, green, neutral. Okay, pH 7. Simple F, lemon juice, pink, 2, pH acidic. Precaution, what precaution to be taken during the experiment? Use the freshly prepared test tube. Test sample for the experiment. The fruit juice sample should also be fresh to get the paper pH, proper pH value. Glass rod or dropper used for one sample should be washed thoroughly before using it for the other sample. Okay, so this is all about our answer, student. Thank you so much for watching. What question that can be asked in the Viva, student? Who was the first scientist to introduce pH? Answer is Soren Peder. Okay, Lautist Sorensen. So the simple you can say that is Sorensen was the person. He was the Danish chemist. He was the person. Define the pH of solution. It is measure of the basic and acidic power of the solution. What is pH of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius? 7. There are two solutions with different pH, solution A and pH 6. Okay, A has pH 6 and solution B has pH 5. Which solution is more acidic? The solution B, pH value 5 is more acidic. Last question, if the pH of value of the solution is 9, then what is its color? That is light blue color. So this is all about the our answer, student. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to comments.